crosses the road, we'll certainly see. That's a tornado!
We're just continuing north to the first intersection north of town, if that's all right with you.
Roger, do that. Again, we are, tornado right now is just to our northwest. Again, there's still a funnel there. So it's safe to keep going north slowly.
Okay, we have turned on to Old Highway 40 heading northwest. Circulation appears to be about half a mile in front of me, and we are receiving stronger RFD winds at this location right now.
Okay, I see the trail, but there's also another circulation at its tail.
All right, roger that. Yeah, we copy that. Yeah, I'm stopped at the northwest side of town here, and I'm holding my position.
That's a wise deal. We are stopped too, right at the railroad tracks.
Okay, yeah, I think I'm northwest of your location.
This is M2. We're taking pretty good RFD, and it looks like rain curtains wrapping around this thing right now. We're about 3/4 of the way through town.
Roger, still have a decent tornado. We're gonna actually continue moving off to the north here shortly. It looks like the danger zone's off to our northwest. Tony, it looks like the danger zone's now off to your north. We're gonna keep rolling, and M2, go ahead and keep rolling north too, slowly. Yep, front of the railroad tracks. Yeah, and again, you got traffic and wet roads near us, but you know, you can expedite your trip to the north of mine.
M3, this is Pro. We're back. We're actually driving on this low main road going north of Quinter here.
Don't pull out in front of me, you asshole. Okay, I'm on Castle Rock Road, northbound.
Oh, beautiful. We've got power poles.
Anything good?
They are holding.
Probe, this is M3. We saw a large tornado and a satellite tornado
Before it crossed I-70. Roger, thanks.
RFD gust 35 to approximately 37 knots. About 200.
Bruce, I see a row of trees coming up here. How close to you are those?
Repeat that, Tony.
I'm heading northbound on Castle Rock Road. I see a row of trees with a house to my north. How far are you from those?
Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh God!
Stop! Get over! Get over! M1, this is M2. We have power lines down. Power lines down right next to us.
Oh my God! I think we lost part of the measurement or something.
We're in the ditch.
Did you say you're in the ditch?
Up the horn. We need to get ahead.
The RFD blew us off. Power lines were coming.
Go, go, go!
No choice but
Go, go, go! Go, go, go! They're stuck. They're stuck.
Get us.
Alright, M3 copy. I'm on my way
to your location.
Tornado right in front of us. A a massive tornado that's spinning up right in front of us. We can't go any further.
All right, roger that. I believe I see your brake lights. Oh my God. Oh my God.
M3, be aware, this road to the north of town is likely impassable. Power lines pretty much cover the entire road now. We may be stuck on the side of the road currently.
Shit.
M1 is inoperative along the side of the road. We took a ditch tour here a la Tony's trip yesterday. When I basically figured, well, either power lines come down or take a ditch.
All right, M1, we have stopped. We have a circulation developing right overhead here. I don't know if it's tornadic or not, but we are not moving from this location.
Oh, that's too bad. Are you guys mobile yet?
We currently have a vehicle in front of us that is struggling to try to get out of the ditch. We will see if we can move here shortly. We may have to take off the mesonet to do so. Alright, mesonet now clear of the power lines.
Is the mesonet damaged?
It looks like it is heavily damaged. We've lost all, looks like at least the anemometer is completely gone.
That is a huge oh, right there, in front of us.
M1, this is M2. We are now clear of the power lines. We are actually now coming up right next to you alongside the ditch.
What's happening right there?
That's a tornado. All right, we have a tornado that's just crossed in front of us within 100 yards, a weak one. Little satellite vortice probably.
This thing has gotten absolutely massive. This is one of the bigger tornadoes I've ever seen.
M1, this is M2. We are now directly behind you. Looks like it's snapped cables. You may have a cable sitting outside my window actually right now.
All right, M2, M1, I'm sorry, M1, we are approaching your location. We got power poles down. I'm afraid we're gonna stop at this point.
Roger, it'd be nice for this RFD to clear us here so we can figure out what we need to do here. Maybe at some point your friend will be able to pull us out.
He's behind me right now. We do have the power poles down in front of us. We appear to have all the tornadic circulation now off to our east now. But yeah, we're probably not gonna be able to proceed very easily here with the mesonet on the roof.
How do you like that rolling debris in front of you, M1?
Looks like a hay bale or a barrel.
I actually believe it is a hay bale.
I personally would be happy if this damn storm would move to the north at this point and get us back in some semblance of winds underneath 80.
We're in trouble here, I think. Let's follow them and just stay with them.
So
This thing is still live,
We
you know.
have major metal nut damage. It's still on the car. You just lost the anemometer piece on top, right?
It looks like it. I'm actually going to hop out and check. There's at least one wire that's hanging right here that is completely severed right now.
M1, this is Probe. We're right behind you. We just passed M3. So go ahead and pull you out wherever you're at.
Roger, thanks, Probe. We had the RFD from Hell come through, but you probably saw that.
Probe, this is Sonda. We're just
Jesus, look at
Quinter on I-70.
M1, this is M2. This thing pretty much completely unfastened the mesonet. It's barely hanging on right now to the roof.
That's not what I wanted to hear. I guess once we get people pulled out here, we can take a look.
Well, for safety and good news sake, M3 is operational and functioning.
Oh, but M2 is still operational. Excuse me, M1.